Are you a nature photographer looking to improve your photography? I'd love to help. Great photography is all about perspective, and nature photographers can create magic wherever they are. You don't need to travel far and wide to capture stunning images. With the right techniques, any nature photographer can turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. Hi, I'm Kevin, an Emmy-nominated and international award-winning filmmaker and photographer. For over 50 years, I've focused my camera on the natural world, learning along the way how to capture the stunning beauty of nature. Whether you're a nature photographer that loves landscape, wildlife, macro, or astrophotography, my channel is dedicated to helping you achieve your goals in order to bring out the best in your nature photography. Subscribe to my channel if you want to take your nature photography to the next level.